Hi, my name is Joe Prince, and I'm the Curriculum and Outreach Educator at the Curriculum Resource Center in Jerome Library. My background is I have an undergraduate degree in secondary education in English, and my master's degree is in library science. My route to the university libraries was fairly circuitous. I started my career as a 7th grade English teacher, and after that I went to library school and then was a middle school librarian for several years in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And then I arrived to the university libraries, largely, I think, because of my background in education and library sciences. I love working at the university libraries, and my favorite part is working with the students. My job is great because I'm very much still a school librarian, but on a much larger scale, and that is immensely rewarding to me.